Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn the different types of bird species name. Number 1. Griffon Vulture. Number 2. Peacock. Number 3. Bald Eagle. Number 4. Mandarin Duck. Number 5. Myna. Number 6. Great Horned Owl. Number 7. Painted Bunting. Number 8. Seagull. Number 9. Peregrine Falcon. Number 10. Rainbow Lorikeet. Number 11. Marsh Harriers. Number 12. Buzzard. Number 13. Lark. Number 14. Lyall's Wren. Number 15. Goff Moorhen. Number 16. Giant Coot. Number 17. Grebe. Number 18. Sand Grouse. Number 19. Watson. Number 20. Aramis. Number 21. Hartlaub's Bustard. Number 22. Eurasian Curlew. Number 23. Ruddy Turnstone. Number 24. Bar-tailed Godwit. Number 25. Tuamotu Sandpiper. Number 26. Great Knot. Number 27. Short-billed Dowitcher. Number 28. American Woodcock. Number 29. Subantarctic Snipe. Number 30. Wilson's Phalarope. Number 31. Eastern Rosella. Number 32. Northern Cardinal. Number 33. Secretary Bird. Number 34. Sparrow. Number 35. Caracaras. Number 36. Turkey Vulture. Number 37. Lilac-breasted Roller. Number 38. Northern Goshawk. Number 39. Merlin. Number 40. Barn Owl. Number 41. Osprey. Number 42. Southern Black Corehorn. Number 43. Sparrowhawk. Number 44. Northern Shrike. Number 45. Southern Lapwing. Number 46. American Kestrel. Number 47. Golden Eagle. Number 48. Red-tailed Hawk. Number 49. Dove. Number 50. Ural Owl. Number 51. Fulmar. Number 52. Gadfly Petrel. Number 53. Whalebird. Number 54. Northern Gannet. Number 55. Cuckoo Roller. Number 56. Trogon. Number 57. Hoopoo. Number 58. Indian Roller. Number 59. Motmut. Number 60. Toady. Number 61. Blue-bearded bee-eater. Number 62. Junco. Number 63. Harpy eagle. Number 64. Blue jay. Number 65. Woodpecker. Number 66. Robin. Number 67. Hummingbird. Number 68. Swan. Number 69. Elephant bird. Number 70. Duck. Number 71. Macaw. Number 72. Toucan. Number 73. Flamingo. Number 74. Albatross. Number 75. Kingfisher. Number 76. Parrot. Number 77. Ostrich. Number 78. Kiwi. Number 79. Crane. Number 80. Spoonbill. Number 81. Magpie. Number 82. Nightjar. Number 83. Hawk. Number 84. Swallow. Number 85. Chickadee. Number 86. Emu. Number 87. Puffin. Number 88. Turkey. Number 89. Guinea fowl. Number 90. Cuckoo. Number 91. Roadrunner. Number 92. Dodo. Number 93. Golden finch. Number 94. Resplendent quetzal. Number 95. Golden pheasant. Number 96. Wilson's bird of paradise. Number 97. Turquoise-browed motmot. Number 98. Sun kana. Number 99. Eclectus parrot. Number 100. Yellow warbler. Number 101. Thunderbird. Number 102. Purple gallinule. Number 103. Scarlet tanager. Number 104. Crimson rosella. Number 105. Rainbow bee-eater. Number 106. Blue-crowned kana. Number 107. Yellow-crowned Amazon. Number 108. Crow. Number 109. Penguin. Number 110. Pigeon. Number 111. Quail. Number 112. Cassowary. Number 113. Tinamojis. Number 114. Greater Rhea. Number 115. Chestnut partridge. Number 116. Co-class pheasant. Number 117. Ruffed grouse. Number 118. Yellow-knobbed curassow. Number 119. Waterfowl. Number 120. Orr's bony-toothed bird. Number 121. Taka stride. Number 122. Macaw. Number 123. Titicaca grebe. Number 124. Great auk. Number 125. Flightless cormorant. Number 126. Long-legged bunting. Number 127. Magellanic topaculo. Number 128. Great skua. Number 129. Black noddy. Number 130. Black skimmer. Number 131. Gidges. Number 132. Kittiwake. Number 133. Black-headed gull. Number 134. Ross's gull. Number 135. Great black-backed gull. Number 136. Australian tern. Number 137. Holoceus terns. Number 138. Sooty tern. Number 139. Large-billed tern. Number 140. Frogmouth. Number 141. Common poto. Number 142. Oilbird. Number 143. Red-billed tropic bird. Number 144. Sunbittern. Number 145. Kagoo. Number 146. Shearwater. Number 147. Stellar sea eagles. Number 148. Oriole. Number 149. Umbrella bird. Number 150. Xenops. Number 151. Norfolk Island kaka. Number 152. Kakapo. Number 153. Long-billed vulture. Number 154. White-headed vulture. Number 155. Western jackdaw. Number 156. Bearded vulture. Number 157. Egyptian vulture. Number 158. Chough. Number 159. Takahe. Number 160. Campbell teal. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.